Hi, I'm going to show you how to get your laundry done in 7 quick steps, and I'm also going to teach you about the products you can use and when to use them.
Number 1, know your laundry symbols. Rather than just throw an item into the washer and hope for the best, the fabric care label actually gives instructions on how to keep your clothes looking better for longer. Number 2, sort your clothes. Avoid washing garments on the wrong setting by sorting your clothes into these groups: whites, lights, colours and darks, and delicates. At number 3, pick the right detergent. Not all detergents are created equal. Now, powder is great for washing whites as most contain a built-in safe oxygen bleach. Now, how to use it? Pour a dosage into the washing machine dispenser drawer. Pods suitable for both colours and whites. Now, how to use, which is easy. Just place a pod or 2 at the back of the drum before adding in your laundry load. Liquid used to pre-treat stains and great for washing colours and dark. Now, how do you use that? You pour the detergent into a dosing device. Number 4, getting the dosage right. Just as each detergent is different, each laundry load will require a different dose. Don't forget to add fabric softener to the dispenser drawer in your washing machine. Fabric softener comes with many benefits, such as protecting them from the signs of aging. Number 6, load the washing machine correctly. Now, a quick way to do this is to make sure you've left a gap between the load and the top of the drum of the washing machine, at least as big as your hand. Number 7, select the proper wash cycle. Selecting the right setting on your machine depends on the garment and the fabric, the level of soiling. So always look at the garment label and select from your laundry pile the lowest temperature.